Want to unlock a whole new world of streaming on your Firestick? Today, we're showing you how to install Thunder TV, but remember, proceed with caution. First, we need to prepare your Firestick to accept apps from unknown sources. Navigate to settings. It's usually a gear icon on the far right of your home screen. Scroll down within the settings menu until you find My Fire TV and select it. Now, look for developer options. If you don't see it, you may need to go to About and click on your device name multiple times to enable developer mode. Inside developer options, find apps from unknown sources. If it's off, click on it to turn it on. This is crucial for installing Thunder TV. A warning message will appear. Select Turn On to confirm. Now go back to your Firestick home screen. Use the search bar. It's the magnifying glass icon and type in Downloader. Select the Downloader app from the search results. It's the orange icon with a downward pointing arrow. Click Download or Get. If you haven't installed it before, wait for the app to download and install, then select Open. In the Downloader app, you'll see a URL bar. This is where you'll type in the link to download the Thunder TV APK file. The URL will appear on screen. Double check that you've entered it correctly. After you've entered the URL, select Go. The Thunder TV APK file will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, the installation prompt will appear. Select Install. Once Thunder TV is installed, select Open to launch the app now. A friendly reminder: be mindful of copyright laws and security risks. Consider using a VPN to protect your privacy while streaming. Enjoy and stream responsibly.